guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. Mark here from Hardtail Gang. So for today, finally, I will be reviewing my bike or doing a bike check video with my own bike. If you've seen some of the bike check videos I've done in the past, most of it or like all of it are from friends. So now we're doing it. So I'll be bike checking my own bike. So here I have the Marin Quentin 2. So I just got this this year at the end of March. So I used to have a specialized pitch expert in medium frame and 27.5 wheels. I'm going to show you some pictures of my old bike. Originally came with a 2x9 drivetrain setup, and I upgraded it to a SRAM NX Eagle 1x12. Upgraded coil fork to RockShox Judy TK Silver, and pedals. I don't even have a dropper post back then. So yeah, that was my old bike. So now I have this Marin Quentin 2. Most of the parts in this bike are still stock. I've only upgraded a few parts, I believe 2 or 3. We'll start from the upgrades. So upgrades are, of course, the pedals. We all know that stock pedals that came with all the bikes are all trash, all garbage. So I got this Crank Brothers Stamp 3 in gray color, and I also upgraded the grips. I put in a P&W Loam grips, a black one. Also, I put a marsh guard, and lastly for the upgrades is tires. I put in a Michelin Wild Enduro 275 and 275 with a 2.6 inch width. So yeah, so let's start with the bike check. I apologize if I'm not gonna do it in order, so let's just try to do it like from the bottom, then let's work it all the way up. I have here a medium-sized frame in a 27.5 inch wheels. Wheels are all stock. Tires is a Michelin Wild Enduro 2.6, 27.5. Fork is a RockShox Recon with 130mm travel. Came with a Shimano non-series hydraulic brakes. Crank arms and chain rings are all stock from Marin. Cassette is a Sunrace 11-speed. Chain is a KMC for 11-speed as well. Derailleur is a Shimano Derailleur 11-speed. Shifter is also a Shimano Derailleur 11-speed. Pedals are Crank Brothers Stamp 3. Headset is FSA. Stem is a 45mm long stock Marin stem. Handlebar is also stock from Marin, 780mm. So grips is a P&W Loam grips. So this one came with the dropper post. So this is a Trans X dropper post. So that came in stock. 125mm travel. Marin stock saddle. Brake lever are also like a non-series. Rotors are both 180mm front and rear. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Marin Quentin actually has 3 variants. So it has 1, 2, and 3. 3 being the higher end of that model, and then 1's like the lower end. So I got the 2, which is in the like the middle. So the only difference between this and from the 1 is like the 1 doesn't have a dropper post, and also it has like a lower end kind of fork. And like the higher, the 3 comes with like a much better fork, and then comes with like a 12-speed drivetrain. There you have it. Thanks so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to click that thumbs up button if you like this video, and click that subscribe button as well. Thanks for watching again. Peace.